word we're going to look at is called monochromatic. Mono meaning one, and chromatic meaning color. Together, it means one color. Using tints and shades, you can create values with this one color. Here are some examples of artwork using monochromatic value scales. In today's demo, I'm going to show you how to paint a mountain view using value. First, set up your workspace. You do not have to choose blue, although this is the example I'm going to be using today. Draw 3 or more horizontal lines across your paper using a pencil. Typically, you start with lightest on top, working your way down, making it darker as you go. Notice how I start right at the horizon line, gently covering up the pencil mark that I just made. I left the top white, but you're more than welcome to use a lighter value on the very top as well. The next value, you're going to add a tiny bit more color to the current color you were just using. The very last color, I'm going to take all blue and mix it still with my current color to make it as dark as possible. Notice that I'm still not using the black for the shade. Will help your picture look more 3D. It's important to let it dry before you go in and add more details with the black paint. I like to use a dry brush for this technique, and I'm using the side of my brush to make skinny lines to make my trees. Notice I have not gone back to get more black paint. I'm using up all of the black paint on my brush. And as the paint starts to run out, it will start to look more and more like tree branches. In this example, I'm using small trees, but you're more than welcome to make big trees in yours as well. Have fun creating!